Let's go to Ocho Rios, guys. Happy Saturday, y'all. So I'm heading out of town again. I am heading to Ocho Rios. Well, a little bit outside of Ocho Rios. We're gonna be heading to Calbys Beauty or Calbys Hidden River. Just a group of us going down to we're gonna be cooking by the river. We're gonna be liming and just chatting and just having a grand time. So yeah, it's definitely gonna be a good time today. So I wanted to bring you guys with me to see what the vibe is about today. We're gonna be heading out shortly. I'm actually waiting for a pickup. I was a part of the planning team. Like, I'm always a planner, okay? I like to plan. I think that's just in my nature. I like to plan. But anyways, yeah, so I'm sure a few of us are already, but I'm waiting on my ride. My ride is always late. Like, my type of friends, they don't know time. And they need to work on it. But anyways, we're gonna head out and I'll see you guys what I'm on the road. Guys, so we've been at the river for literally about 3 hours. It's moving on to 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I did not get a chance to speak to you guys here. The music just started. So there's someone here playing. The music is so loud, guys. So obviously I can't talk to you guys, but we're having a great time. You guys see we're grilling the chicken. We had burgers, we had hot dogs. So it's really a great vibe here. So I'll talk to you guys later.
I'm fighting my temptations, building up, I'm anxious. I know he wanna get me all up in his room. Looking me over now, you're surprised, cause I put on a show on my first ride. Seeing it so clear, you and me right there, sitting contemplating taking off your suit. Let me ask this question one time.
Guys, it is moving on to 5 p.m. So everybody's not ready yet. Of course, a lot of people came late. But you know what? I don't know. Hold on, it's bad. Yeah, what I was saying, a lot of people came late, so but it's end of day, it's 5 o'clock, and I know they close at 5 o'clock, so we're about to wrap up, leave, and head back to Kingston.